Plus, it's very pigmented. And, but, it's easy to blend. Pigmented, but easy. No, it's doesn't set really fast, so if you're gonna stay like this for a while and then no, I like it. You can put it this as my blush. You can put this as my cheeks. But sorry, I didn't put it right now because it's already not ready to sleep. This is cake. They give this to me for free. But then to try this one. I always feel want to take care of. Didn't I told you? I just resigned. I told you I might get one this month. So where am I going? As usual, that's why I was still studying. I would like to get so, yeah, Oscar, perfect. Yep. I know I do. You remember? You have that app. It's called you should try my Mr. Meet there. But I know that. Still away. I can still remember how it's important me with access to this study. And up until now. Okay. Okay. Hi, Sean. Happy New Year. Hi, Tarzi. Hi. Hi. I didn't know I can still use this. Use this. This is person. Hi. Always love. That's one. Sharif. I love Sharif. It's my favorite. Did you know that? It's my favorite. CB, hello. Happy New Year. It's not very